Hi, this is Bea Lennux and welcome back to my channel. So we are on day 11 of 15 of our strongest fat burner juice cleanse, and this is part 2. So me and my cousin are here. This is Roni, and we are here about ready to have our little cheers. Go ahead and enjoy. Actually, it comes out smoother with this. Off. Now this is a ginger root. Oh no, you didn't. Okay, that's camera crew. We had a big flash. Don't mind that. Now, we are obviously in Graham's kitchen. We are with the family today, and we are enjoying life, and we are having a barbecue. Everything is just so amazing today, and yeah. So, yeah, we have the ginger root, we have the cider vinegar, we have our green tea. Well, actually, we're using a decaffeinated green tea, and we have our apples and our lemons. Now, if you go back to 2 or 3 videos, and then even to the first video, it has a complete rundown. Like the video and share it. Like the page, turn on notifications. I have so much more footage and so much more content to give you. Thank you so much, and thank you, Roni, for being a guest star on my page. Oh my gosh, yeah. So, thank you for watching.